Hey guys, it's Mrs. Godo. We're at the school with no students. It's so super weird. I just wanted to share with you how to do the triplicate Venn diagram for Friday. This week you should have on YouTube watched videos to 4 Three Little Pigs stories that were just all a little bit different. We had the 3 ninja pigs. We had the 3 pigs. We had the true story of the 3 little pigs, and the 3 little pigs, and the somewhat bad wolf. So we have done quite a few Venn diagrams throughout the school year in 2nd grade, but this is our first triple Venn diagram. And what I'm going to need you to do is take it step by step. So we can actually cover up a huge chunk of it. So let's see. I have Post-its over here. Sorry guys. Thanks for your patience. So I'm going to cover up this part and this part. Okay, now I'm going to worry about this circle over here. For right now, I'm going to look at this circle, this shared piece, this circle. And you were exposed to 4 stories, but I only need you to pick 3 of them. So you need to just choose your 3 favorites. So, things that are true about story number 1, and they're only true about story number 1, are going to go right here. These are things that are only true about story number 1. Then we're going to take story number 2. Just like a regular Venn diagram, you're only going to worry about comparing the 2 for a moment. And we're going to think about things that are only true in story number 2. And those things are going to go in this big part of this circle. And do you see, there's no overlap here. This part, no overlap. It's all by itself. Just like where I colored orange, there's no overlap. It's all by itself. But then you need to think about some things that are true in both stories. And in both stories, where these 2 circles are overlapping, you're going to put things that are true about both story 1 and story 2. All right, now I'm ready to uncover my 3rd circle. I'm not worried yet about this centerpiece, okay? So uncovering my 3rd circle, I'm now ready to talk about story number 3. So you need to pick your 3rd 3 Little Pigs story that you want to have in your triplicate Venn diagram. And over here, you see how the circles overlap right here? So things that are only true for story number 3 will go here where there's no overlap of any kind. And then you'll look and you'll say, okay, this is true for story 3 and story 1. And if it's true for story 3 and story 1, you're going to put that fact right here. I'm going to use pink there. Okay. Lastly, you're going to compare story 3, the blue story, with story 2. And anything that's true about both of those stories is going to go in this part here. Where those 2 circles overlap. Lastly, there's this huge spot in the center where all 3 circles overlap. And that is where you will put information that is true from all 3 stories. So if it happened, or there's a character or a setting that takes place in all three, that'll go here. Please remember that throughout the week you will have filled in a story map for each one, so you can look at that as you go on. Look at your settings, look at your characters, and use that as a tool to help you with this. This is a great comparison, a great tool to compare your reading. If you have questions, please send me an email. We miss you guys. We hope you're safe. We hope you're well, and we can't wait to see you soon. All right, bye.